Go, go, go. Come on, let's go a little bit faster. We're going to go this way.
Okay. We are going to switch to point before we get to our house, right?
Yeah, follow the road. Up to third gear now.
Oh my lord.
Middle up. That's it. Middle up, clutch, middle and up. Middle and up. Hannah.
Oh, sorry.
No, come on, let's focus.
What's that?
Stay focused. Can you go a bit faster, please, Hannah? Get off the clutch. Come on. A little bit faster. You're now being really slow.
Is that right?
Yeah, we're getting faster now. That's good. Sorry to interrupt, but if you're learning to drive, you need to become a member and get access to a Learn to Drive course. Absolutely comprehensive videos. Small fee each month. Videos added all the time. Learn to drive just using our videos. Now, without wobbling the car around, going to fourth gear, just gear straight back. No, you're holding it so tight, Hannah. Fourth gear, please. Straight back. Gas pedal off. Remember, 3, 2, 1. Good. Well done.
Faster?
Yes, a bit faster.
That was 30 though.
Yes. So just ease off the gas. Drop it to third gear. Drop it to third gear.
How to do that?
No. So third gear, clutch and forward, and 3, 2, 1. Now try and hold the steering wheel a lot less tight. You're holding it so tight that when one hand comes off, it's moving like this. A little bit of gas, and you're holding it too tightly, you see.
You should not be letting me drive home.
I'm not letting you drive home.
Okay.
So just ease off around the corner. Ease off. That's it. Keep focus on your road. Don't worry about their road. Their road is their road. Your road is your road. A little bit of gas there. Move away from the curb, please.
This land is your way.
Move away from the curb. So remember, still just looking around. No different. This is no different to the Southern Estate. It's our road. It's their road. In fact, it's easier. You've got paint down the middle of the toe, which your road is. Easing off. That's it. We're good to go. I think we are. Just be careful of cars there. Round me. A little bit of power. Then get up the hill. Power, power, power. That's it. Keep it going. Oh, hello.
What does that do?
Just move away from the curb. Just focus on looking around. No, okay, but easing off. Slow until you can go. Can we see? Is it clear?
Yep.
Check it right.
Yep.
Go, 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 go. Power, 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 power. Once you know, go.
Okay.
Looking in there before you come across.
Yep.
Miss Sterry's got to go. Come on, a little bit of gas. You've got a big hill here. Get up. Need more power, not less power. Okay, no problem. Keep going.
Just went right to the children then, sorry.
Yeah. Move around. A little more power. You've got a hill to get up here. Good.
You threw me in the deep end here.
A little bit, maybe a little bit of baptism. That's fine. A little bit of gas. A little bit of gas.
It's like a life or death situation right now.
It's not really, is it? I've got my legs crossed. I'm fine.
If you had
Easing off round the corner.
If you were to have a seizure right now,
Yes.
would you trust me to drive us home?
I wouldn't care. I'd be dead. A little bit of gas.
That's not what having a seizure is. Oh, you're assuming we were dead.
Yes. Either way, I'm going to die. Now, we're not going to go around the corners of the road. We're going to turn left. Just keep easing off. Mirror signal left. Signaling left. Hey, hey, hey,
Oh,
hey.
sorry.
Focus on the road. Just ease off the gas. Gently on the brake, please. Gently on the brake. Gently on the brake. Off the brake.
Okay, now.
Round we go. Okay. Right, follow the road.
What does that mean? National speed limit applies here.
Yeah. It means it's unrestricted. Doesn't mean it's safe to do 60.
Okay.
Just means it's
Are we alone?
unrestricted.
Are we alone now? Okay, thank God.
Yeah,
Those
what's
cars
their name?
behind me were stressing me out.
Hey, do you know their names?
No, but they were just.
What are they doing?
The lights were at me, like.
Do you know
telling me,
what,
like,
Hannah?
hurry
Do you know
up.
what, Hannah? They also used to be learners once upon a time. So
I know,
they,
but oh my God,
so
my
they know
heart.
what you're going through. If they've
Where are we
forgotten
going?
it, there's a car. Yes, well done. No point. Gently on the brake. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh,
I'll pull over here.
oh, well, it can't go that way. Oh, is that this?
Yeah, gently on the clutch down. It's straight to first gear. Okay, let them pass here. First gear. Just come forward a little bit, please.
How?
What do you mean how?
Oh.
Slow there. No more. Stop, 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 stop. Stop being all or nothing about things. Now, you've got the bite. Why don't you get the car prepared? So when you go, bite. Set a little bit of gas. Okay, check your mirror. Get to someone else there. Turn, 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 turn. That's it. Well done. Follow the road.
This looks like some
Second
kid-
gear. Second gear. That's 4,000 revs you took it to. Listen to your engine.
What am I on?
Second gear.
Am I?
You're on. Just moved off and went on second gear.
It felt like fourth.
No, it felt like a fourth because no. All right, right. Calmly look ahead and calmly into third gear. Third gear. 3 off the gas. 3 and no rush. Okay, go to fourth gear. What the hell?
Oh.
Go for it. Go.
Sorry,
we got 2 to 4. What the hell? Rock and roll. Let's do it.
Is that normal?
No.
Oh. Why is it a problem?
But because you kept doing second gear for so long, you got the acceleration now. You could jump to fourth. We did a block gear change.
Cool.
Yeah. Right. Look at the road.
Yep. Oh.
Make sure you maintain. Yeah. It feels like you're holding the steering wheel very tight.
No.
Okay, just easy off the gas. We're going to go past the car.
Okay.
There we go. Look, it's room for two. You take over. That's it.
I was just trying to
Just hold it as well.
relax.
Yeah. Okay. So relaxed. I'm like that.
Do not put your hands anywhere near your head right now, Dan.
No, I'm not. Don't
Okay,
worry.
you just did.
Oh, I did. It was fun.
You'll be on the ball all the time. Oh, there's a horse here. I'm not looking. I'm just saying, like, the horse is here.
I don't care at this moment.
Okay.
Hannah, look around you.
This does not feel like the route home. You didn't like
This is sort of a road. Gently on the brake. Right, just focus on where you are. You're wobbling around. Just look on the left, Hannah. Look at your direction. Get yourself over. Look in your left mirror. You can get a tank down the side of that car. That's it. Just focus. Don't over extremes. Just tiny movements. Now it goes around to the left. Quite sharp. So check your mirrors off the gas. Slowing it down. Can you keep off the road, please? On the road.
Oh.
Gently on the brake.
On the brake, gently. Yep.
Alright, drop it down to brake into second gear before the steer. Off the brake, off the clutch, 3, 2, 1, off the clutch, 3, 2, 1. No gas, just let it rotate. Happy?
Yep.
Now we can go. Gas and go.
Oh, don't follow me home.
Why does it matter? Get over it, there's 35 million cars out there. You're going to have cars behind you, Hannah.
They're like definitely like making fun of me right now, though.
Well, I don't think they give a shit about you. Get over it. Nobody cares about you and your driving. They just care about getting home. They just care about doing what they got to do.
They care about going home, so I'm holding.
No one gives a monkeys. They don't know you're in the car.
What happens here?
So you just slow down, take some speed out of it. We slow until you can see. We can't see what's around the corner. Slow down until you can see what's around the corner. Golden rule of driving. Drive into the distance you can see. Follow the road.
Do I put gas down?
No. No, you don't. If you're downhill. No, you don't. You're fine. It's engine will hold it in second gear. Turning right and then turning left. So signalling right. Gently on the brake. Gently on the brake. That's it. Clutch down. First gear. Focus on that speed. Don't no sudden movements. Off the brake a little bit. No, not the clutch. Just roll it down gently.
Yeah.
Gently on the brake. Slow it down, please, Hannah. Slow it down. Right, we've got a biting point here. Come to the biting point. I'll help you. A little bit of gas. Go on, go. 3, 2, 1. Come off the clutch for me, please, Hannah. Okay. Big signal left. And we go. We're going left.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
What's going on?
Second gear, please. Second gear. 3, 2, 1. That's good. Let's go.
Oh, that's a lovely house.
It's nice, isn't it? Nice one over here.
Really?
Okay, a little bit of gas then. A little bit of power. Come on, moving on.
Oh.
A little bit faster. Come on, faster.
How high can second gear go up to?
Well, you can hear it is changing now, so change it now. Change it off the gas pedal whilst you're changing it. Go on, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Good. Get it back on your road, so side of the road. Go on, gas and go. Come on, get some power on this. Got to get power in there. Got a big steep hill.
I know. Oh no.
What about that house over there then?
Is that one house?
That's one house.
Nah. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Wait, don't
Focus.
Don't tell me to look when there's a man in the road.
Just move your head across.
Like, yeah, that's not how my head's connected.
Yes, it is. Okay, let's go.
Guys, if you live in that house, can you give us a free tour?
Right, gas and go. A little bit faster.
Even faster than this?
A little bit faster than this. Yeah, it's 28. It's very slow, Hannah. Let's go faster.
So it sounds like...
Yeah, let's go fourth gear then. Straight back, fourth gear. Straight back. Keep it focused straight. That's it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, a little bit of power then. Now, getting used to speed is a little bit like getting in a swimming pool. It feels cold at first, so you get used to it very quickly. No, it's no jerk reactions. It's just really smooth. Look what the road does. It just does that. I don't know that part of mine.
No, I don't.
Keep going. So the road is not doing this, is it? But your steering's doing this. Hey, come on, focus on what you're doing.
I'm focusing on
A
what...
little bit of gas, please.
When can we change seats?
Not yet. So bring yourself across a bit. Move yourself across.
Is it one lane?
It's a single track road, so you stay in the middle.
Oh, okay.
If the sun comes on, we have to pull in there, don't we? We'll pull in there.
Yeah. You're probably thinking, what's this? No.
Okay, slow down then. Slow down. The brake. First gear. Move it off the brake, please. Off the brake. Too much braking there, Hannah. Right, okay. Okay, gas to go, please.
Okay.
Oh, well, you moved off in third. Oh, I moved us off in third.
Oh, so it's taking a while to get up to it.
Yeah. Right, so it's coming along, Hannah. That's it. What do you think you need to do? Speed up, stay at the same speed, or slow down. It's one of 3 options. What do you think it is? Slow down. There you go. That's it. A little bit of power then. See you around the corner. it, off we go.
Where are we?
Ardingworth.
Where it's at in Harbour still?
Yeah, kind of, in the area. So just move across a bit, easing off.
Get off the road.
Okay, we're good. That's it, look at that, that's it. Off we go then. Gas, gas, gas. So again, just move away from the edge of the road. If you go off there, we're in a lot of trouble. There's a horrible pothole
Yeah, I
there.
know.
Okay, again, it doesn't need that. It's just subtle, isn't it? It does not need vicious movements. There's a car coming up there, so we just have a look. Okay, it's flashing us through.
Is it?
Yeah, they're pulled in for us. That's it.
That far away?
Bring yourself out. Yes. So it's any passing place. We could have gone there, but
Yeah.
doesn't matter. Very nice there. So don't stay on the road. So put you there. Very good.
Do you flash your light?
Yes. No, I don't.
No, you flash the light then.
Yes, can you move away from the edge of the road, please? Stay in the middle of the road.
We need to change over soon.
We will change over very soon, don't you mind? Let's get off this road.
Yeah.
Move away. Okay, ease off the gas. Move away from the edge of the road. Just look where you're driving. If you look where you're driving, you'll drive to it. Move away from the edge of the road. A bit of gas. I just think what the wheels doing, just staying parallel, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right, turning left here. Brake. Into second gear. Do the steer. That's it. Careful. Roll it round. Okay, roll it round. Good. That's it. Gas and go then. Okay. Right, listen to your engine. Change gear when you hear the gear.
Need to go higher?
Well, yeah, it can't be, isn't it? Why did you change? If you're going faster, how on earth would you change it to a lower gear?
I don't know.
Well, it's just. You knew the answer to that.
I know, it just came out.
Right, slow down a bit so you can't see what's around this corner. Is that good? So you're just scanning around. Scan. Okay, nice and clear. So now we can do a bit of gas then.
What's that? Pheasants?
Yep.
Wow. So much wildlife in there.
Yeah. So just a little bit of speed in case we can't. So just slowing so you can see around the corner. And now you can see what's around the corner. There we can go.
Why can't we put up here?
I don't want to pull up here.
Oh.
Put yourself across.
Is this a 2-lane or a single track?
Well, you tell me.
It says single track only.
Well, there you go.
So,
Do you reckon you could fit 2 cars down this road?
no.
There you go. There's your answer.
But can cars come the other way?
Yes.
Oh.
So it's a single track road.
Yeah, fair enough.
So you have to pass and pass these spaces. So you've got to be a little bit careful and slow down even more on corners because someone could fill that space with a car.
Yeah. Cows, did you see them?
No. So it's focusing ahead.
Please drive slowly, thank God.
Okay, you can put up here anyway.
How? Oh,
How?
yeah, where? I mean,
Anyway, it's safe. You tell me. Where's it safe?
Okay.
Well, that was a good place, wasn't
that was a
it?
good place, man.
How about on this corner here? So just slow down. Check your mirrors. Mirror signal.
Not yet, not yet.
Yeah, just.
Oh, okay, then
Yeah, look at this. Up here. It's on here. This will do. Gently signal left. Clutch down. First gear. And stop. Okay. Get the gas gear. Stay on the pedals. Remember 1, 2, 3. Handbrake. That's it. An indicator. Well done. That's it. Leave it. No, remember, if you leave it alone, it'll turn off.
What's the cost of moving?
It's not.
Goes.
The car's not moving.
Oh, yeah. Who did that?
It switches off to save petrol, and because I opened the door, it started the engine up.
Why?
Dipped a little bit.
Teaching you the way, driving safe and sound every single day. Turn the keyless